Some of us do experience this cracking feeling or this grinding feeling when you run or you walk. In general, if there is pain when you have this sensation, it means that there's some inflammation in the knee, and it's often due to a cartilage wear, and it is a natural inflammatory response to any condition within the knee. Because in our knee there is this layer of tissue called the synovium, and if there is an injury to the cartilage, the body responds by having a normal inflammatory response. Actually, the layer covering the knee actually becomes swollen and inflamed. So when we move the joint, you do feel this cracking feeling and this sound. In general, if you do only hear the sound and there's not much pain and you're able to continue with your activity, then we don't really need to treat the cracking sensation. Only if you feel that there's something jammed in the knee, if you feel locking, then it means that there's a free floating piece of cartilage or loose body within the joint.